To the Bronx, where a father could be charged with a crime for leaving his kids in his hot car where they died.
That father was in court today. CBS News' Christina Fan was there.
Well, Chris and Mary, the family of Juan Rodriguez is going to have to wait a little bit longer to find out those answers. This hearing ended a lot similarly to the one a few weeks ago, with the district attorney's office saying they need more time to investigate before they present evidence to a grand jury. 39-year-old Juan Rodriguez had nothing to say to reporters as he walked into the Bronx courthouse. But after the hearing, his attorney had a lot to share about the family's state of mind.
The family obviously is very wounded and deeply hurt, but they are not broken.
Rodriguez was here to find out if a grand jury had convened to issue an indictment against him. The Bronx district attorney told the judge that there was no action because they needed more time to investigate. Rodriguez is accused of leaving his one-year-old twins in the back of a hot car while he was at work in July. He claims it was a mistake, that he forgot they were in the back seat until he found them dead hours later, foaming at the mouth. Rodriguez's attorney told us they were not at liberty to talk about their discussions with the DA, but they did reveal details about the family's new platform.
In that hurt and in that pain, their hope is that they could make a difference. You know, since I appeared before you last with the family earlier this month, there have been 12 other instances throughout this country where children have died in cars. Now that speaks to an issue which this family recognizes.
As the family waits to hear more about where the criminal case heads, they say they will be working with state legislators and starting a foundation to bring awareness to hot car deaths.
I am hopeful that they can wrap this up sooner rather than later. My client and his wonderful family need to move on. They need closure.
Rodriguez's attorney says the family is hoping the charges of criminally negligent homicide and manslaughter will be dropped. He's due back in court on September 24th. And the family's attorney today said again that they welcome a full investigation. They say that the father has been fully cooperative, answering questions investigators have posed, as well as handing over his cell phone records. Reporting live from the concourse section of the Bronx, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.